Hey guys, this is Jishan Ahmed. So this video is going to be about how to set up and install pieces for developers and how to get started. So there's a link being showcased right onto your screen, tinyurl.com slash GenAI pieces. So just copy this link or you can type this in your browser. Open up any browser. I'll be opening Edge and I'll just paste the link and you'll get a screen like this. So come over here.
Get started. As this is a window machine, I'll just click on Windows, come down and click on this Download Pieces Suite Installer. As you can see, this is a web installer, so it gets downloaded very easily. Now click on this. Now just click on this Install. Give it all the permissions it requires, click on yes, and go with the automatic install. It will download two things. The first is the major thing that is known as Pieces OS. So this is an important dependency. Now as you can see, the Pieces for Developers has properly installed. You'll get something like this, and this should be your output. Once you get this, just minimize it, and the suite has already been launched. So once you click on this Get Started button, you'll have to select this I am a student. You can even skip this or you can go with this thing. So I'll go with that. Now keep all this as it is. You can set your default LLM as well. You'll have multiple models over here. You can even specify your custom OpenAI API key. I'll go with Claude 3.5 Sonnet, and you can even activate the long-term memory right over here. So I'll just click on this activation button, and then I'll just click on this. You can connect your GitHub account as well as your Google account, but I'll skip it for now.